Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu with a controller. First, ensure your Nintendo Switch Pro controller or Joy-Cons are wirelessly connected to your console. A fully charged controller ensures uninterrupted gameplay. You will use the left analog stick for movement and the A button for selections. This easy setup allows for a comfortable and immersive experience as you explore the Kanto region. Once connected, moving around the vibrant Kanto region is straightforward. Simply use the left analog stick to guide your character. To interact with people, items, or enter buildings, press the A button. If you need to cancel a selection or exit a menu, the B button is your go-to. These basic controls make exploring and engaging with the world intuitive and fun. Catching Pokémon with a controller is a unique experience. When you encounter a wild Pokémon, use the left analog stick to aim your throw. Once you have your target, press the A button to launch your Pokeball. For a better chance of success, you can open your bag with the X button and use a berry before throwing. It's a satisfying way to expand your team. Engaging in Pokémon battles is seamless with your controller. During a battle, use the directional buttons to select your moves or items. To access your full bag or check your Pokémon party, simply press the X button. The Y button provides quick access to your partner Pokémon's unique abilities, offering strategic advantages. Mastering these controls will make you a formidable trainer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.